Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Rakuten SIM card. First, make sure your phone is unlocked and compatible with Rakuten Mobile. If you're using an iPhone, you may also need to download the Rakuten configuration profile, which helps your device connect to the network correctly. For physical SIM cards, once your application is processed, Rakuten will send you a SIM card along with a start guide. Insert the SIM into your device, then open the My Rakuten mobile app. The app will show your activation status and guide you step by step through the setup. Just follow the instructions on the screen until your service activates. For eSIM users, you don't have to wait for anything to arrive. Simply open the My Rakuten mobile app and complete the activation online. The eSIM will download directly to your phone, and the app will confirm when it's ready to use. After activation, you might need to manually set up your APN settings so your phone can connect to the Rakuten network. The app will show the required settings, or you can find them under your device mobile network options. And that's it. That's how to activate your Rakuten SIM card. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.